हेलो जुडिशल सर्विस एस्पिरेंट्स, जुडिशल ड्रीम के एमसीक्यू क्लास में आपका वेलकम है। आज हम लेजिटिमेसी ऑफ चाइल्ड पे एमसीक्यूज डिस्कस करेंगे। चलिए एमसीक्यू क्लास की शुरुआत करते हैं। आपका फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सेक्शन ऑफ HMA 1955 प्रोवाइड्स फॉर लेजिटिमेसी एंड इलेजिटिमेसी ऑफ चिल्ड्रन? A सेक्शन 13, B सेक्शन 15, C सेक्शन 16, D सेक्शन 17, E सेक्शन 18। आपका सेकंड क्वेश्चन है, Section 16 of Hindu Marriage Act 1955 confers legitimacy on the children of A. a void marriage, B. a voidable marriage, C. a valid marriage, D. both void and voidable marriage, E. only void marriage। आपका थर्ड क्वेश्चन है, who will be a legitimate child? A. a child born out within the lawful wedlock at any time even soon after the marriage, B. a child born within 280 days of the dissolution of marriage by death or divorce, C. both A and B, D. either A or B, E. none of the above। आपका फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन है, सेक्शन 16 ऑफ द HMA 1955 प्रोवाइड्स A. children of unannulled voidable marriage are legitimate in the same way as children of an otherwise valid marriage are, B. children of annulled voidable marriage and void marriages are legitimate but they will not inherit the property of their parents alone and none of the else, C. a child of void marriage is not entitled to an interest in which his father is a co-partner, D. all are correct, E. none of these। आपका फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन है, अंडर द हिंदू मैरिज एक्ट इन रिलेशन टू लेजिटिमेट चिल्ड्रन, A. a court declaration is necessary to confer a status of legitimacy, B. a court declaration is not necessary to confer a status of legitimacy, C. such a child becomes legitimate after reaching the age of 18 years, D. such a child cannot become legitimate। आपका सिक्स क्वेश्चन है, where the legitimacy of a child is doubtful, the court may consider A. doctrine of factum valet, B. blood grouping test, C. statement of father, D. evidence of neighbors। आपका सेवेंथ क्वेश्चन है, under the Hindu law, A. an illegitimate child has never been considered as filius nullius, B. an illegitimate child has been considered as filius nullius, C. an illegitimate child has never been considered as filius nullius and his relationship with both parents was recognized, D. an illegitimate child has been considered as filius nullius and relationship with both parents was not recognized। एट क्वेश्चन है, any child born out of void or voidable marriage under section 16 of HMA can A. inherit the property of father, B. inherit the property of mother, C. inherit the property of their ancestors, D. inherit the property of both the parents, E. none of the above। आपका नाइन्थ क्वेश्चन है, presumption under section 112 of evidence act is raised, A. when a child is born during the continuance of valid marriage, B. when a child is born within 280 days of dissolution of marriage and mother is unmarried, C. in both A and B, D. only A and not B, E. only B and not A। आपका आज का 10th क्वेश्चन है, Section 112 of Evidence Act, A. is a presumption of fact, B. a rebuttable presumption of law, C. an irrebuttable presumption of law, D. a mixed presumption of fact and law। ये थे आज के आपके MCQs लेजिटिमेसी ऑफ चिल्ड्रन टॉपिक पर। अगर आपको इन MCQs के आंसर की चाहिए और इस टॉपिक पर नोट चाहिए तो आप हमारा व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप, हमारे टेलीग्राम चैनल ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। और अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर कीजिए।